Yes, Raj.
Good morning, Rajvardhan. Wow, the children are smiling wonderfully. Very nice. Sambrant is very excited. Yes, I think he has many things to share with us. Okay. We have Kaivalya Pankaj. Yes. We will wait for more students to join it.
What?
It's okay if you get others.
New one.
We have Riyanshi with us, Darshit, Purvi. Wow, Purvi is wearing a very beautiful dress. Wow, very nice. It's brown. Is it brown? Okay. And Rajvardhan has worn a beautiful brown cardigan. Wow, very nice. And Rakshan also has brown t-shirt. Wow, I did not get anything brown to wear today, but so many children are wearing brown. Wow, very good, very nice. So we have Anna here from upper KG class, and it's so nice to see the nursery, the LKG, and the UKG children. All children are on time. And a big hand for all of you. Very good children, very nice, very good. And I can see this Darshit is wearing brown pants. Wow, great, very nice. And here there's someone who's got a brown teddy bear. And Janma is wearing brown pants. Very good children, very nice. Happy to see all the effort to find the things which are in brown. Yes, and showing it to us. So that's very good, children. So, children, let's begin with the morning prayer. Yes, please stand in your places. Please stand up, join your hands. Okay. If you are comfortable sitting, if you are in front of the laptop that way, it's also okay. If you are not able to stand, you can also sit, but sit with respect. We are praying to God. God Almighty blesses us with so many things. All these days He has kept us safe. So we have to pray to Him with full respect. So I want to see everybody's hands joined. Yes. So we have Anita ma'am here and Regina ma'am will begin with the morning prayer. So let me see if everybody's hands are joined. Joshua, very good. Anne and Arnav and all the children of nursery, very good. Well done. So, dear
God,
thank you
thank you
for this new day.
this new day.
Help me today
Help me today
to grow in wisdom,
To grow
in wisdom,
in strength,
in strength,
and
joy,
joy,
and in love.
love,
me
Help me
to be
true,
to
and
obedient, and
thank you.
thank you.
Let's get the memory verse, children. God has not given us
God has not given us
a spirit of fear.
A
a
spirit
spirit of fear.
He has given unto us
He has given unto us
a
spirit of power, spirit of power, spirit of love, and mind.
very good, children. Very good. Now, please sit down. Yes. And now I will ask one question to one student. Now, let me see. Yes. What you just said unmute. Okay.
Purvi, unmute your mic.
Purvi, please unmute. So, Purvi, can you tell us what day we are celebrating? Are we celebrating Pink Day, Blue Day, Orange Day? Which day? What color we are celebrating? Very good. Ma'am, so Purvi, let us write Purvi's name. So Purvi gets a star for our. That's very good, Purvi. Okay. Now, now I'm going to show you what is on the board. Yes, you will first listen, understand, and then teacher will ask you questions. And as the child is answering, we are writing the names. So then afterwards, when the session gets over, we will be putting stars for each child. Okay. So on Monday, teacher will show you the stars which you got for the day we showed you about the solar system, those stars and today's stars all together. Yes. Now please have a look at the blackboard. Please listen carefully. Okay. Now we have a walrus here. Walrus. And the walrus is brown. Yes. You can see the white teeth of the walrus. This is a sea animal. The walrus. 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 Which is brown. All of you all say walrus. Walrus. W for walrus. Okay. Then we have ice cream candy here, which is also brown. Have you seen Chocobar? I'm sure you all must have enjoyed the Chocobar. Yes, it's all chocolate. From outside, brown chocolate. Yummy, yummy chocolate. And when you take a bite, there's cool ice cream inside. I can see everybody's mouth is watering. But this is not the right time to have ice cream because outside it is raining. And when we have a good weather, when the sun is shining, it's bright, it's summertime, that is the time we can enjoy the Chocobar. Yes? So Chocobar ice cream is brown. Chocobar ice cream is brown. Now, let us go to the next picture. Here, there's a balloon which is brown. Have you seen a brown balloon? I have seen. I had put many brown balloons for my birthday. Yes, I love brown. It always reminds me of chocolates, which are always brown. So here we have a brown balloon. Now let's go to the next picture. Here we have a musical instrument, which is brown. Yes, and the name of this musical instrument is guitar. Guitar. G for guitar. And there are strings on this musical instrument. You have to play the strings. Okay? And then you get a beautiful music, which is very pleasing to the ears. So this is guitar. And this guitar is brown. I too have a guitar at home, which is brown. Okay, now let us come to the next picture here, children. This is a brown cap. Brown cap. And the cap protects us from the heat of the sun. And then the next picture is a brown pencil. Brown color pencil. When you have to color the hills or the stones or the bark of a tree, you will use brown color pencil to color that. And here we have a flower pot, which is brown. And in this flower pot, you can put flowers. It is also called a vase. Now, here there is a brown t-shirt. A brown t-shirt. I can see some children wearing brown t-shirt. So good. Now we go to the next picture, and that is of yak. Yak is brown and it's a big animal, and it is a ferocious animal with big horns. It can attack you with the horns. Y for yak says yeah, and yak is brown. Isn't it looking so dangerous? Look at his eyes. He's all set to attack his enemy. Okay, now let us go to the next picture here. This is a nut, children. It is a nut. Nut is brown. Nuts are very good for health, children. If you eat nuts, it makes you strong and healthy. Now, let us come to the next picture. Oh, it's our favorite animal. That is a monkey. We have some wonderful stories of monkeys, isn't it? Yes, and monkey is very naughty. Monkey loves to eat nuts. Yes, okay. And monkey jumps from one tree to the other tree. Yes, monkey is a very happy and joyful animal. He makes you laugh. So all these objects are in brown. Okay, now I will ask each student one question, okay? And I will be giving you stars. So we'll begin with nursery first. Yes, and who's this? Okay, Rajvardhan has a brown monkey with him to show us. It's so beautiful. Children, have a look at it. It's a soft toy. It's monkey. It's very soft. You can play with it. Very nice. Good. So now the first question for nursery student Purvi has already answered. I have written her name. Ma'am, ask. Please tell to unmute. I will ask.
Rianshi.
Ask. Tell to unmute.
Okay, Rianshi, unmute your mic.
Good morning.
Good morning, Rianshi. Okay, now Rianshi, we showed you so many pictures on the blackboard. Can you name one picture from there? Can you name one picture? Okay, we will show you. Please name one picture from there.
Balloon.
What? Come again?
Balloon.
Balloon, she said.
Balloon. Okay. So Rianshi, I will write Rianshi has answered. So okay, Rianshi, you will get a star. Okay. The next question goes to Joshua. Okay, Joshua, can you name one brown object which is put up on the board?
Project. Guitar. Violin.
Yes.
Violin. Violin. ഇതിനകത്തിലെ ബോർഡിലെ പറയാൻ ഏതാണ് നീയും പറയാൻ ഏതെങ്കിലും വയലിൻ ഇതിനകത്തിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും
You can name
ബലൂൺ ബലൂൺ
Balloon.
balloon. Balloon. Already told better. Any other object?
Look here on the blackboard.
Okay.
So many things.
Flying.
What do you say?
മങ്കി പറ
Monkey.
Okay. Monkey is brown. So Joshua has given the answer. That's monkey. Okay, Joshua. Yes.
Now next is Darshit.
Darshit. After that, who should be ready? Darshit.
After Darshit, be ready.
Okay. After Darshit, Darshit be ready. Yes, Darshit. Can you name an object which is in brown? Yes, we will give you the book. Yes, Darshit.
Goal. गोल बेटो कही है बेटो गिटार है गिटार
Oh, guitar. Wow.
oh
Has told us the musical instrument guitar.
Now
Yes,
Rakshan.
name the picture.
Rakshan.
Very good. Now Rakshan. Yes, Rakshan. Yes, beta, look at the board.
Unmute my. Huh.
See, look at the board. See, name any one picture. What is this?
This is yuck. Yuck.
Say louder. What is that? Ma'am is pointing.
This is small bag.
What he said? He said,
Are you able to hear, ma'am?
no, ma'am.
He said yak and walrus.
Okay,
Wow,
very
that's
good.
Say louder.
very nice. So Rakshan 2 will get star for this. Okay. The next question goes to
Ayansh,
Ayansh.
Samran. After Ayansh, Samran, be ready.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look, see, look here. So many pictures are there.
Pencil.
Pencil. He said.
Pencil. Okay. Very good. Very good. Next.
Samran, unmute your
What's his
mic.
name?
He's Ayansh.
Ayansh.
Nut. He said nut.
Nut. Wow.
I'm not. Say louder, louder. Jore.
And
Yes. Very good. Very good. Very nice.
next is Samran.
Your name, huh, Samran?
Welcome.
Okay. Good.
Dhanvin,
Good.
Dhanvin.
Dhanvin. Okay. Dhanvin.
Dhanvin.
Say anything.
See, look pictures. Look here on the
Say
platform.
anyone. Say louder, Momo.
Loudly.
Yak. Wow. Ma'am, his name?
Dhanvin.
Dhanvin.
Very
Yes.
good.
Dhanvin. I have written Dhanvin's name. Dhanvin also will get
Janme,
name. Now
unmute your mic.
Janme. Janme. Yes, Janme. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Be ready, Antara next.
Yes, Janme.
See, look here. Look here. Look.
Tell any object. Just
Any. Antara,
Okay.
wait for your turn. Antara, say. Antara, wait for your turn.
Ma'am, he said walrus.
Okay, okay. We'll give you that. Very good. Very nice.
Now, Antara, unmute your mic. Antara, unmute your mic fast. Done nursery.
Okay,
Okay,
guitar.
very
Very
good.
good. Antara, good, good.
Good, very good.
Okay, so all the nursery children are done. Anyone who's left from nursery? Okay, now we'll go to the LKG class.
Rajwar.
Rajvardhan रह गया.
Rajvardhan. Where is he, Rajvardhan?
Tell.
Rajvardhan. Yes, Rajvardhan.
Say.
Sea lion monkey.
Sea lion and monkey, he said.
Okay, monkey.
Eh.
Okay, okay, we'll give that to you. That is Rajvardhan. Okay, well done, Rajvardhan. Very good, Rajvardhan. Okay, so all nursery kids.
Thank you.
We'll read out the names. So Purvi has answered, Riyanshi has answered, Joshua, Sambran, Dharshit, Rakshan, Ayansh, and Dhanvin, Janme, Antara, and Rajvardhan. Okay, good. Well done, nursery. Now, any nursery child has a brown object and they would like to show us, can show. Please raise your hand and we will tell you to unmute. Okay, Rakshan has something brown to show us. Okay, so Rakshan, please unmute your mic and tell us about the object you have.
Say, what is this object I have?
I have brown basket.
Well done. He's got a brown basket. I'm very happy for all the effort the parents and the child has taken to find a brown object and show it to us. So big hand for Rakshan and his mother. So good. Very good. So you get 2 stars, one for Mummy and one for Rakshan. So I will just make a note of that. Okay. Okay. Any other person from nursery, please raise your hand if you have a brown object to show us.
Hippopotamus.
Yes, we have Joshua. Yes, everybody will get chance. Don't worry, we have plenty of time. So we have Joshua here. Yes, Joshua, what is your object?
Animal hippopotamus.
I'm a hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus you got. That's great. That's very difficult to get. Rare to get a hippopotamus. Wow. So thanks for that effort. You and your mother will get stars for that. So the parents too will
Thank you.
stars for all the efforts they have taken. So well done. Anyone else from nursery? Ayash, yes, Ayash. Come on, where is? After Ayash,
Human.
after Ayash, Samran be ready. Okay. Yes, Ayash, show me your object.
Elephant.
Elephant you got. Very nice. Very big elephant. Wow, elephant which is brown. So good. Well done. So you
Almond.
will get stars for this. Very,
Almond.
very nice. Very nice. He's got 2 objects, I think. Elephant. Okay. Who's the next one, ma'am?
Samran.
Samran. Okay.
After that,
Samran.
Janmay, be ready.
Samran, please show me, beta.
Bucket healthy
Hmm?
and clear.
Horlicks bottle and
Which animal is this? Bolo? Bolo?
Clear.
Not squirrel, it's squirrel.
Clear.
Squirrel.
very nice. And squirrel has a bushy tail. And squirrel loves to eat nuts. Very good. Very nice. Good, 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 good. So you two.
See, that.
Yes. And 2 people are going to get one Samrat and one his mom. The child and the mom both are going to get stars today. Well done. Who else?
Thank you.
After Janmay, Dhanvin, be ready.
Janmay, show beta. Where is Janmay?
Here up.
Okay. Huh.
Uncle cow.
What is that?
I
Repeat. Bolo. Say.
I have bunker cow. Ah.
We didn't get ma'am. What he is saying?
He said, I have brown color cow.
Cow.
Brown card.
Okay.
Very nice. Very good. Janmay.
Car. He's showing car also.
Say louder, beta.
Bunker cow.
Brown color?
Goat.
Both. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Very good. And I love the way you all are taking the efforts to express yourself. So well done. Very good. You all are speaking in complete sentences. So that's very, very nice. So nursery rocks. Very good. Okay. Now the next.
Dhanvin, after Dhanvin, Purvi, be ready, yeah? Dhanvin.
Say, what is this?
Teddy bear is such a big one. Wow. And
Ask Teddy bear to say hi.
hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Wow, you're so lucky you have such a big teddy bear to play with. Very nice. It's so soft. Very
Okay,
good.
very good.
Very nice. Good. Yes, now next.
Purvi.
Purvi.
I have fixes.
What you have? Flaxseed.
Flex ma'am. She said flex
Very nice. That's really great. Very good.
Unaccepted.
Very good. Flaxseed. Very nice.
very
Good. Very
Very
good.
good. Very good.
And you spoke so well. Very good. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
What else? What is that?
Yeah. Chota Bheem.
She said Peppa Pig. Pig.
Pig.
Yes, Peppa Pig.
Oh, it's a
Chota
sound-
Pig.
Oh, Chota Pig. I have. Oh, very nice. Good. Very good. Very nice. Good. Yes.
Okay. Now next, Antara, be ready.
Yes, Antara?
Unmute your mic, Antara.
Yeah.
After Antara, Rajvardhan be ready. Yeah? What you have? Guitar? Okay, she's saying I have a guitar.
You have a guitar. Wow, that's nice. Very good, Antara. Very good, very good.
What else?
Also have brown pen.
Pen.
Brown pen.
Oh,
Very nice. Good, 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 good. Very well done. Very nice. Yes, anyone else?
Rajvardhan.
Okay, Rajvardhan, yes.
After Rajvardhan, Darshit be ready.
Peanut laddu.
Peanut laddu.
Teacher, good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Kriti.
My favorite Chamampress.
Yes, yeah, okay. Rajvardhan, what else you have to show us?
Chamampress.
Chavanprash. Oh, what ideas the child and the parents have just left the speechless.
His favorite atom, ma'am.
And that's great. Very good.
Now next is Darshit.
Darshit, I'm also writing what you all are showing. That good, good.
Yes, yes. Darshit.
Darshit, okay, Darshit, yes.
Bound away है राम
Brown color.
Now
How to wipe your hand?
wow, good.
hand.
Wipe your hand. Okay.
Okay, Darshit.
Very good, very good. So he's got a brown napkin. Very nice, yes?
Thank you.
Good, good, very good.
Ma'am, Riyanshi is remaining.
Yes, yes. Where is Riyanshi? Okay, Riyanshi. Unmute your mic, Riyanshi. What you have?
What is shells?
Say.
I have cells. 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 And what?
Okay.
Watch.
Watch.
Purse.
Here, here. What
Oh,
else?
you've got a watch.
Purse also. Purse.
Purse.
My
Good,
goodness.
good, good. Very
So
good.
many things.
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
Yes.
Very good, very good, Riyanshi. That was really very nice. Yes.
Very good.
Okay, now we'll move to LKG children. Yes, LKG. Raghuveer, do you have any brown object to show us, Raghuveer?
आता म्हण.
Teacher, brown notebook.
Okay, okay. Notebook. Very good. Yes, very good, Antara.
Ah, good. Now we have Raghuveer. Raghuveer, do you have a brown object to show us? Raghuveer? Okay. Kritika?
Brown cap.
Brown.
Brown?
Brown cap.
Very good. Brown cap. You have a brown cap. So good. Anything?
And brown camel.
Brown camel. Good. Very good. Camel is called the ship of the desert because he can travel in the desert.
Brown. Brown.
Wow! He gave us a spelling of brown. That's great.
Well
Very
done.
good. So your mama and you will get stars for this. Good.
My have new jacket brown.
New jacket.
New jacket which is brown. Good. Anything else, beta?
And brown is the jeep.
Brown jeans.
Flower pot.
Flower pot. Wow.
So many things.
So many things you have collected which are brown. So good. Well done. Well done. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, teacher.
Very good. I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of all the children who have shown the objects, who have taken all the efforts. Very good. Yes. Anyone now? Next from LKG. Anyone else is there? Jainil. Jainil is there. Jainil. Yes, Jainil. What's that, Jainil?
This is the Riding the horse.
I have brown horse.
I have brown horse.
Horse, brown
Horse.
horse.
You have a brown horse. Good,
Wow,
good, good,
great,
good. Very
great.
good.
Use for
Yes.
Sana.
Nice.
Speak loudly.
Then use all teacher.
Use for
Use for riding.
Very good. Yes, very nice. You spoke about the object. That's great. Very good. Very well done. Very nice. Yes. So, Jainil, 1 minute. I will write your name here. Okay. Now, anyone from LKG who's there? We have.
Raghuveer.
Raghuveer, you have any object to show us, Raghuveer? After Raghuveer, you will be ready. Yes, Raghuveer, do you have a brown? His video is stuck, so
speak loudly.
Dina,
Raghuveer.
नहीं समझना
Voice is breaking now. You log in again.
Okay, we'll go to Rudra now. Rudra, please show us your objects which you have kept ready to show us.
Say Rudra, this is, this is Sang Trichala, this is, say Rudra, this is
Yes,
brown,
yes, Rudra.
say Rudra, this is, काय है, say,
Hey, Rudra.
before, loudly, this is, say, अच्छा पकड़, say, this is, I have, say, I have, Rudra, I have potato, say,
Say, beta. Say, potato.
टीचर स्टार देणार आहे तुला पटकन सांग दिस इज
Rudra.
Rudra will
And
get
please,
दिस इज
wow.
लाउडली ब्राउन कप
Very good, Rudra. Well done. So, Rudra,
दिस इज लाउडली पोटैटो लाउडली
very good. Even teacher did not think of showing a potato.
Potato,
Very
yes.
good. Very nice. So Rudra's mama and Rudra both get stars. Very
Wow.
good. Very nice. And
थैंक यू टीचर
write Rudra's name here. Okay. Now all the LKG are done. Now we'll move to UKG class. Yes. So we have Anay. Anay, can you show us your brown objects, Anay? Oh my God, what is this?
This is a boat.
Yes, boat. Very good.
Carries
Yes. Carries who? Yes, it can carry people, isn't it?
yes.
You, it can carry me, Anita ma'am. Yes?
Carries
Yeah.
human.
Okay, yes, humans, people, yes.
Yes.
We can travel in a boat, ship. We can call it a ship. It's a huge thing. Yes, very nice, Anne. Very good. Very nice.
We can fish. We can go in this boat.
Yes, we can travel in the sea in this boat.
And we can also fishing.
Oh, we can do fishing from this boat. That's nice, Anne. Very good. Very nice. We can throw the net in the sea, isn't it? We can stand on the ship and throw the net.
Yes.
So many fishes. Very good. Yes. Very nice, Anne. Very nice. Good boy. Anything else you have to show us? Yeah? Okay. We'll move on to the next. So I will just write Anne's name. So Anne and his mom gets stars for this. Very good. Yeah. Anyone else now? Now we'll go to Dhansit. Yes, Dhansit. Do you have any brown object to show us? After Dhansit, Kaivalya. What is that? Yes, Dhansit.
Brown puppy and brown two and brown chair.
No. Brown puppy and brown. What is a long thing that you showed us?
Brown tube. Brown tube.
Tube. Brown tube. That's nice. Very good. A brown tube and a brown puppy.
And brown puppy and brown chair.
You have a brown chair. Very good. Yes. Now, Arnav. After Arnav, Adhya be ready. Yes. Unmute, beta. Brown pillow. He has a brown pillow. Very good, Arnav. Anything else, Arnav? Yes, yes, tell us.
This is my brown file.
Oh, this is your brown file. Very good. Brown pillow, brown file. That's great, Arnav. Good. Arnav and Dhansit and Anay. Okay. Yes, anything else you have to show us? Shall we go to the next? Okay, we have Kaivalya Kadam now. Kaivalya Kadam. Yes, beta. What's your brown object? Kaivalya Kadam. Unmute, my child.
He just sit there. Tiger.
Tiger, but I cannot see the tiger. Who has the tiger which is brown?
Tiger. This.
Okay, on your t-shirt. You have a brown tiger.
Is brown.
Okay, okay, very good. That was very nice, Kaivalya. I'm proud of you. Very good. Good boy. Yes. Anything else you want to show us?
Yes.
Yes. What's that, beta?
I go to see black. I go to see now. Right. I go to see. There are water and shark, fish,
Okay,
boat,
you're going to see fishes in the water. Okay, okay, good.
boat,
Okay, now.
and
Okay, now Adhya, do you have something to show us, Adhya? Any brown object?
watch.
Watch, you have a brown watch. Good, Adhya, very good. What else?
And brown puppy.
And a brown puppy. Good, good, very good. Yes?
And purse.
Purse. So many objects you have collected. Very good. Very
Badam hela.
One badam.
Badam annama.
And badam.
Oh, also very good, very good, very nice.
Pillow.
Pillow. Very good, Adhya. Very nice. Good.
Today's my birthday.
It's your birthday. Okay, we will sing for you. Okay, as soon as we finish, we will sing for you. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now, anyone else? Application class. Anyone else is left who has not answered? Kaivalya Pankaj. No, he is there.
He is there.
Ha, Kaivalya Pankaj. Yes, beta. Can you show us? And Lakshita after that. After Kaivalya Pankaj is Lakshita.
Teacher, hey, my Jacqueline.
jacket. He's got a brown jacket.
Oh.
Very nice. You're looking.
I have a gold, black and brown gun.
You are looking like a film actor. Wow. Very nice. Smart. Very good. Yes. And
It's a gun.
yes.
Very good. Very
Good, good. Do you want to show us something?
This is a cake. This is a cake. Cake.
Cake he's
Cake.
showing.
Wow. Here the children's mouths are watering.
What is that?
Kaivalya, Pankaj. Okay.
I have a
Chocolate
chocolate powder.
powder.
Very good. Chocolate.
And I have
Okay. Now next.
I have a cotton.
Okay, curtains also. he's
Curtains.
showing.
You have
Okay, very
curtains which are brown. Very good.
Very good.
Very nice. Now we have Tanush. You are done, beta? Anything more you want to show us? Okay, now Lakshita. Okay, Lakshita. Yes, Lakshita, please show us your brown objects.
This is a brown tape.
Okay. Good.
Very good.
Yes, yes. What else?
What is that?
Not.
Nut. Good. Nut. What? Okay. Yes, very good. Very good. Very nice. Okay, you have brown curtains in your house. Very,
Very
good.
good. Very good.
Nice.
Teacher, see.
Okay.
Brown.
Yes. Now we have done. Do you want to show some more objects? Shall we go to the next student? Are you done, beta? Show your thumb.
The thumb back on.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So we'll go to Tanush.
Brown tray. This is yellow. This is not brown. This is brown
Teacher,
tray.
see brown.
Brown tray.
Brown tray.
Okay.
Teacher, see brown.
लांबून दाखव तसं जवळनं नको दाखवू
का?
दिसणार नाही टीचर.
Very good, Kaivalya. Now Kaivalya Kadam good. Now we'll move to Tanush. Tanush is all smiles, is very excited. Yes, Tanush, what do you have to show us? Yes, Tanush.
I have brown monkey.
You have a brown monkey, a soft toy. Wonderful. Good. Very nice. Please have a
This is a mask.
Mom! Only Tanush can get these things. Very
This is a teacher. I have panja timer. This is an envelope.
envelope. Very good, very good, very nice. What else?
My chair is.
Your chair too is brown. Good, good, very good. So well done, all children, very good. Okay, there is one color. Yes, what's that? Peanut. Laddu. Peanut laddu. Wow. Very nice, very good. Lot of creativity, lot of things by the parents. Good. Very good, children, very good. Nice. So there's one question which will make you earn 3 more stars. Anyone can answer that question. There is one thing which is in brown and it is very, very yummy, yummy, yummy. And all the children love it. What's that?
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Okay.
Teacher,
Ice cream. Okay.
I have a cake.
Give it to all. Ice cream. Okay. There's one more, which is very, very chocolate is the answer which I was expecting. Very good. So chocolates are brown. Children who are getting Purvi, Priyanshi, Joshua, Samran, Darshit, Raksha, Janmesh, Rajvardhan. Janmay, Darshit, Purvi, Rajvardhan, Darshit, Priyanshi, Raghuveer, Pritika, Jaini, Rudra, Arnav, Dakshita, Kaivalya Kadam, Kaivalya Pankaj, Anay, Rudra, Adya. All these children are going to get please for the parents.